Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn amazing amount of money by just taking few surveys, completing quests, and you can make a hell lot of money. If you don't believe me, guys, you can see I still have $3.19, which is just nothing because I've earned about $70.47 and I've withdrawn it all. I will show you the withdrawal proofs as well by just taking surveys. As you can see, I've completed 114 surveys and I've completed almost 142 quests, and I've invited a lot of people. That is because there are referral bonus that you can to earn from this app. So that is my sole purpose of making this video, is to make sure that you guys can earn as much as possible like I do earn and get the payouts as well. And with to be said with the payouts, let me show you exactly how much I've earned here. And as you can see, there was a payout of $4.89, $11.24, $4.89, $25.19, and $7.37. A lot of other payouts. And when I go to my PayPal and show you the payout that I've received as well, you can clearly check that I have received all the payouts here. Let me just show you how much I've and all the tremendous payouts are from the Pawns app that I'm about to give you a brief description about. So as you can see, guys, there are multiple payments being made to my bank account through PayPal because I there is an option where you can only withdraw the payment through PayPal. So, and just to be very clear about the payout, guys, it is going to be a minimum of $5 to get the first payout. And every time you earn $5, you can take a payout from this Pawns app. And it is very easy to start earning in this app, guys. If you do, if you guys are long enough to watch my video completely till the end, you guys will be able to make the same amount of money on just investing 5 to 10 minutes in your day to complete a survey and earn the maximum out of it. And now I'm going to show you exactly how this works so that you can start earning too. Now I'm just going to log out of my current account because I want to show you exactly how this works and how you can start maximizing your earnings here. So firstly, I'm going to use a referral bonus here because I want to get the referral bonus in my account. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take my referral code, which is 4530011, and now I'm just going to log out as I've created an extra account here just to show you guys, demonstrate how you can start earning using the Pawns app. I've just created a new Gmail account so that I can show you how exactly the app works and how exactly you can make monies by just taking the survey here. So what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to enter my referral code, which you can to use, or you can simply click the link in the description of the app. I've given you the link of the app, and I will also show you how you can download the app through PayPal. And the reason why I have given you the referral link here is that what happens is that if you use my referral link, you will get $1 instantly when you download the app. And as I said, $5 is the minimum payout. You can make amazing amount of money. And not just that, guys, if you use my link, so the first payout that you make, you will get $1 extra on your second payment, and on your third withdrawal, you will still get $1. So you will have $3 on three withdrawals that you make. And with that to be said, I'm going to show you how exactly this app works. So here in the survey section, you can see there are plenty of surveys, and the other surveys are locked because I've just signed up here. I'm going to take a short survey and show you how exactly this works. So you will have to make sure that you enter all the details correctly here. I'm just going to use a different detail so that I can just show you how this exactly works and how you can start earning money out of it. So let's say I put it in July 31st of 2000 and get this started with. And here I put my random zip code and the region as the region that I stay in because your GPS is on, so they will be able to track your data. And most of the surveys are relevant to the location that you stay in. So make sure that you put in the correct location so that you get relevant surveys and so that you can maximize your earnings here. So once I click on finish over here, guys, I will show you exactly how I've earned. You can check here, I've just earned 20 cents on my first survey. And with that to be said, all the other surveys are now open for me to start earning from. And these are not just small amount, guys. If you just take a few surveys, you can take a hell lot of money out of this app. And to be very frank and honest with you guys, I've used this app for plenty of time and I've made a lot of money with this app. In my previous account, you just saw I've made close to 5,000 by just taking surveys. And there are surveys that pay you about $1.5 to $2 just one survey. Not just that, you get spin the wheel in which you can spin and there are rewards here. And by claiming the quests and by completing most of your quests here, what you can do is that you can exchange your points which you've earned from the quests to redeem it through dollars. So if suppose I have 300 points, I can go and redeem it here in the dollar section of rewards in the quests for the exchange of my points. So this way I am able to maximize my earnings. And believe me guys, I want you to make sure that you mention everything in the comments here with all the difficulties because I do understand there are many surveys that won't be eligible, and most of the surveys, guys, will be denied, but you will be able to make enough money for payouts on every weekly basis. I have made enough money for payouts on every weekly basis. And now I'm going to go to Play Store and show you how exactly you can download this app through Play Store because it is available in Play Store as well. So here guys, you can see that the Response app, which I have installed, and this is the same app that you can install and earn money. But I would suggest you to use my referral link from the description so that you can get the first dollar on your first usage of your Pawns app and you can earn $2 more on every withdrawal that you make. And all you have to do is take surveys and earn maximum money. And all of this is true. If you have any kind of questions here, if you have any kind of concerns, you can always ping me on the comments or you can reach out to me directly through the channel sources so that I can answer most of your questions because I have used this app for almost 3 months. It is not a fake app. There are surveys that you get denied, but there are many surveys that are successful. So it all depends on how much time you invest. And believe me when I say this, the time that you invest won't go to waste. I've made a lot of money. If you don't believe, I'm again going to show you my old account where I've withdrawn a lot of money. I've withdrawn close to 5,000 rupees in INR through the Pawns app itself. And when I'm telling you this, I am telling you this with experience. So as you can see, I've withdrawn up to $70.47. And this is all to my PayPal. So there is amazing possibility that you can earn more money than I do by just downloading the app and taking surveys, completing quests, and it is going to be fun because you will be able to learn a lot of new things. A lot of new products will approach you, and there are multiple ways that you can earn money from this app. You can even share your internet and start earning money from this app, and you can do a lot of other stuffs. You can browse the app and you can start earning. This video was only brought to your attention because I want most of my subscribers to maximize this opportunity to make use of their free time and earn money at the same time, where you just have to take a few surveys and earn the money. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and make sure if you have any questions, you can surely ask me, and do subscribe because I will be posting more videos relevant to this concerns and relevant to this topic, and a lot of your informations will come through my videos, and I will make sure that I post them on a timely basis. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. That was all for the video, guys. Thank you again. Bye bye.